Our learning goal today is we can use value to make a snowman that looks 3D. I want you first of all to think about what your snowman is going to be doing. So here I have a snowman. It does show value, but it's not that exciting. He's just kind of standing there, not really doing anything. And this one is more of an action pose. He's sliding or skating. Here are some pictures from the book. You might remember from the book. Think about what they are doing. What things are they doing? I want you to think about something that you like to do in the snow, or imagine something that you think a snowman, if a snowman would come to life. What would your snowman like to do? So you're going to use your imagination, and you're going to first practice. And we can all draw snowmen. We've all done this before. 1, 2, 3, or maybe 2 circles. But then think about how would your snowman look if your snowman was moving. Now our snowmen don't have legs, but our snowman can still lean forward. This is kind of like a leaning pose. The stick arms could still kind of lean out like this. And if it's looking sideways, how many noses do you think one nose, how many eyes would we have? Probably just one eye would show. Only half the smile would show. Maybe it's windy. Maybe this guy's hat is kind of fallen off, kind of sliding back. You can also think about what your snowman might be doing. Maybe your snowman is sledding. What would your snowman look like if your snowman was sledding? He can't hold up his knees, but maybe he would be kind of scrunched up like this. What expression would he have? Would he be smiling? Again, maybe his scarf might be whipped away in the wind, or maybe his hat's kind of falling off here. So think about different things that your snowman could be doing. And at your table, you might even ask, which one do you think is more interesting? Which one do you think is my best one? And you're going to circle which one you think you want to do. I want you to try and have five different snowmen or snowwomen. Think about what they're going to be doing, and then you can get your paper to start on your final one. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a paper, black, blue, or purple, because we're showing a winter sky. And just like with the birch trees, we're going to have winter sky that is more of a purplish or bluish color. And then you can look at your paper, and you can draw it right on here. And you're going to keep it probably fairly large, unless you're going to have several snowmen. You're going to think, what's the main, is there one main subject? Is there just one snowman that's my focus, or are there many snowmen? Some of the pictures in the book had many snowmen, so you wouldn't make it quite as big. If you just have, here's another one, you have a bunch of smaller snowmen, you can decide. We're going to take 2 weeks to do this project, so you do not need to rush to finish today all in one day. So I'm just going to start with this one right here, and I'm just going to do my pencil drawing here. And if I get this far today, I might not get this far. I'm going to start coloring them in. Now when I color them in, I'm first going to color the whole snowman white. And we're going to add a shadow. You might remember last week in the birch trees, we added shadow to the birch trees. And I'm just going to color in this one little section here, so you don't have to watch me color the whole snowman. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to think, where's my light coming from? You might have a moon somewhere. Which side is your moon going to be on? If my moon is over here, and your moon could be yellow or it could be white, then the light side is going to be here, and my dark side is going to be here. I'm going to take my blue, and I'm going to draw halfway around the circle like that. Then I'm going to take my finger, and I'm just going to kind of spread it in this way, because I don't want stripes on my snowman. I'm just making it look three-dimensional, and the way I do that is I take my blue and make a darker edge, and we're going to look at how snow looks in the wintertime. It almost looks kind of like it has a bluish tint to it. And I might color it in some more here. And you kind of keep going over it again and again and again until you get it how you like it. And you're going to color it in to try and make it look more like a sphere. I'm going to have you stop before you're done. At your table, you're going to go around and give each other feedback. And you're going to take turns asking, how did you show value in your snowman? So then if someone asks you that question, then you can say, I showed value by doing the blue on the side. If you haven't gotten there, say, I will show value by going around halfway with the blue. What will you have in your background? I want you to think what's going to be behind your snowman. You can say what you will have or what you do have.